Welcome back to the channel. If you're passionate about travel, culture, and amazing destinations, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Today, we're taking you on a tropical ride through the beautiful Caribbean island of Jamaica. Whether you're planning to travel to Jamaica or just love learning about the world, here are 10 surprising facts about Jamaica that will blow your mind. Fact 1. Jamaica is the birthplace of reggae. First up, Jamaica is the birthplace of reggae music. This world-famous genre originated in the late 1960s and has influenced artists across the globe. Of course, the legendary Bob Marley, a Jamaican national hero, is the face of reggae. If you're a music lover, visiting the Bob Marley Museum in Kingston is a must. Fact 2. Jamaica was the first Caribbean country to gain independence. Did you know that Jamaica was the first Caribbean country to gain independence from Britain in 1962? That makes it a pioneer in the Caribbean's journey towards self-governance. Independence Day, celebrated every August 6th, is full of vibrant parades and cultural festivities. Fact 3. Home to the fastest man in the world. Jamaica is the homeland of Usain Bolt, the fastest man alive. Bolt broke world records in the 100m and 200m sprints and brought global attention to Jamaican athletics. The country's passion for track and field is unmatched. Fact 4. Blue Mountain coffee is world famous. If you love coffee, you've probably heard of Jamaican Blue Mountain coffee. It's one of the most sought after and expensive coffees in the world, known for its mild flavor and lack of bitterness. The Blue Mountains also offer breathtaking hiking and scenic views. Fact 5. Official language is English, but patois rules. While English is the official language of Jamaica, most locals speak Jamaican patois, a vibrant and expressive Creole dialect. Phrases like "wagwan," what's going on, and "eerie," everything's good, are part of everyday conversation. Fact 6. Jamaica has over 120 rivers. Despite being a small island, Jamaica has more than 120 rivers, including the famous Rio Grande, Black River, and Martha Brae River. River rafting and tubing are popular tourist activities, giving you a lush view of the tropical landscape. Fact 7. The Jamaican flag has unique symbolism. The Jamaican flag is the only national flag that doesn't feature red, white, or blue. Instead, it boasts green, black, and gold, representing hope, hardship, and wealth. It's a proud symbol of national identity and resilience. Fact 8. Amazing biodiversity and endemic species. Jamaica is a biodiversity hotspot with hundreds of endemic species found nowhere else in the world, like the Jamaican iguana and the Dr. bird, the country's national hummingbird. Its ecosystems range from mountains to coral reefs. Fact 9. Home to jerk cuisine and spicy flavors. One word: jerk. Jamaica is the birthplace of jerk chicken, a spicy grilled dish seasoned with pimento, Scotch bonnet peppers, and other herbs. You'll also love local favorites like ackee and saltfish, curry goat, and festival dumplings. Fact 10. One of the most influential cultures per capita. With a population of just under 3 million, Jamaica has had a massive cultural impact on the world through music, sports, language, and lifestyle. From Rastafarianism to dancehall, this small island packs a big punch globally. Conclusion. So there you have it, 10 amazing facts about Jamaica that show just how special this Caribbean gem really is. Which fact surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends who love to travel and explore the world.